How to create a table of contents in Word automatically. This tutorial shows you how to format your headings first, then generate a table that links directly to them. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, highlight the text you want to appear as an entry in your table, like a chapter or section title. After that, click the Home tab. At this point, select the appropriate heading level, like Heading 1 for main chapters or Heading 2 for subchapters. Following this, repeat this for every heading throughout your document, since Word builds the table based on these styles. Once your headings are formatted, you're ready to insert the table. From here, place your cursor wherever you want the table of contents to appear. At this stage, click the References tab. Following this, click Table of Contents. From here, select one of the automatic styles from the dropdown to insert it right away. Once inserted, Word instantly builds the table using your headings, complete with page numbers and clickable links to each section. At this stage, if you make changes to your document later, like adding new headings or moving sections around, right-click directly on the table. Following this, click Update Field. That's how you create a table of contents in Word automatically. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.